Hello guys, my name is CJ Lumibo and today we are going to tackle all about the NOT gate. So itong gate na to, ito yung continuation or itong lesson na to, ito yung continuation ng gates na pinag-aaralan natin dati, the logic gate. So nung nakaraan, we have learned about the OR gate and the AND gate. But this time we are going to introduce the NOT gate. Okay, so paano ba gumagana si NOT gate? So mapapansin nyo, merong parang triangle dito and then may bilog dyan. Okay, susulat nyo sila as ganyan, triangle and then bilog. Okay, so let us learn further about the NOT gate. Truth table of NOT gate, it can be written as A na merong line sa taas, horizontal line sa taas, or A na merong small vertical lines sa top right corner ng A. So, dito meron din tayong diagram here. A tapos output. A, yung Q dyan, yun yung output. Okay? So, ayun. Sa gitna nila, merong NOT gate or NOT connection. So, ito yung truth table natin. 0 and 1. Yung inputs ng A natin is 0 and 1. And ang output dyan, 0, not 0. Ano ba ang not 0? Eh di 1. Ganun. And ano ba ang not 1? Ano ba ang hindi 1? Eh di 0. So, yan. Let's have an example here. Meron tayong OR gate na may 3 inputs, A, B, C. Meron din tayong AND gate, may 3 inputs, A, B, C din. But this time, ang connection niya papunta kay AND gate na susunod is NOT connection. Merong NOT gate dito. Next naman, we are going to have here our ABC OR gate, same as the first one. And nakakonect yan kay AND gate na may connection na NOT connection. Okay, so let's answer the truth table for this one. Ayan, so before we are going to answer, let us name our diagrams here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 dapat yan guys, nailagay ko as 1, I'm sorry. So, ayan. And let us create our diagram or rather our table. Then ang ilagay natin inputs natin ABC since ang inputs natin is 3. And then lagay na natin yung mga numbers ng logic gates natin. Okay? So next, kung mapapansin nyo, 8 na yung rows natin. Kasi dumagdag na si C. So, let us determine the possible inputs for each letters. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. So, i-memorize nyo yan guys para tamang sagot natin dito. Okay, so let us answer. So, mapapansin nyo 1. Dito tayo kay 1 which is an OR gate with 3 inputs. ABC. So, ABC, may papapansin ba kayong 1 dyan? Wala. Dito meron. So, 1. Dito meron 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, basta may 1 and OR gate siya. So, ang output dyan is 1. So, dito naman tayo kay pangalawang gate which is AND gate siya na ang connection ay NOT connection. So, paano natin sasagutan yan? So, ang mapapansin nyo, AND gate, nag-activate lang ang output na AND gate magiging 1 kapag both A and B or both inputs ay 1. But this time, 0 silang tatlo. So, ang output dyan is 0. Pero, do take note na meron tayong NOT dito, NOT connection. So, ang output natin dyan, ano bang hindi 0? So, 1. Okay? So, dito, 0, 0, 1, may 1. But, we are dealing with an AND gate. So, ang output dyan is 0, pero may connection tayo na NOT. Ano ba ang NOT 0? Is NOT. Ano ang NOT 0 again? That is 1. Okay? So, tuloy-tuloy na yan. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But, ito, kung mapapansin nyo, 1, 1, 1. So, lahat na inputs natin is naka-activate. But, meron tayong NOT gate dito. So, ang output ng logic gate natin dyan is 1, but not siya, not 1. What is not 1 is 0. So 0. So that's how it works. So next naman kay 3. So same lang din kay number 1. Yan. Okay, so next naman. So ang inputs natin dito, ito na yung inputs natin. Dito na tayo kay number 4. I'm sorry guys kasi number 4 dapat yan. So dito tayo kay number 4. Number 4 dapat to. So ang inputs natin is 0, 1, 0. So AND gate siya. So di naman lahat naka-activate, di ba? So 0 ang output ni AND gate number 4. But we are dealing with an NOT connection sa output natin. So ang output dyan is 1. Okay? So ito naman, lahat naka-activate. So ang output ng AND gate natin dito is 1. But not 1. Ano ang not 1 natin is 0. So same goes for the other inputs. Yan, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But this time, ayan, 1, 0, 1. Diba? 1, 0, 1. And hindi lahat naka-activate. So 0 ang output ng AND gate natin, but we are dealing with an AND. Rather, we are dealing with an NOT connection. So ang output natin dyan is 1. Okay? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. And sa mga susunod na meetings natin, magkakaroon din tayo ng extra details or rather further lessons regarding the logic gates. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe na rin.